Is it still worth it to learn Linux in 2026 and try to dive in towards having a career in DevOps or platform engineering? Short answer, yes, I do believe so. Even with Cloud Code, Codex, AI, and all these tools that generate code for you, there's 5 reasons why I still think that Linux is important to learn in 2026. So first and foremost, it's the foundation to anything that you will be doing within platform engineering or DevOps or SRE roles, networking, security, storage, containers, cloud, all of it has Linux embedded within. And every advanced topic that you try to learn later will become so much easier because of this foundation that you have of Linux. And trying to do DevOps without this foundation, it's going to hinder your own career progression. It's definitely a step that you don't want to skip. Second reason is most servers run Linux, especially when interacting with cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, or Azure. You're gonna have to SSH into a Linux server and really have an emphasis of how to work within a Linux operating system. That takes me to the third reason is AI tools use Linux, and having a knowledge will increase your productivity when using these tools. For example, if you know that the command is going to create a directory or remove a file or modify your environment, any of these possibilities that the AI can do, you will be able to understand because of the knowledge you have of Linux. It would also help you debug faster and understand when something breaks. The fourth reason is every DevOps tool uses Linux and it assumes that you understand how to operate within the terminal to a certain degree. For instance, when you run Ansible playbooks, it runs Linux commands, or if you need to troubleshoot a Kubernetes pod and for a Linux permission issue, or you're looking at logs that are Linux based. Everything is all stemming back to Linux. It's like those Chinese dolls that stack within each other. You know, you start with if you want to learn OpenShift, you have to learn Kubernetes. If you want to learn Kubernetes, you have to learn containers, Podman, Docker, and if you want to learn that, you have to have a grasp of Linux. And it all goes back to knowing how to operate Linux systems. The fifth reason is it can open many doors for you because since it's such a foundational knowledge, you have a broader opportunities to get a cloud engineering role, DevOps role, or a system admin role. Anything to help you break into the field if you're coming from nursing or blue collar or anything that's not tech. This is the stepping stone into getting into the tech field. That's what happened with myself. I was working at a tire shop, working multiple different odd jobs, real estate, insurance, construction, oil field, all these types of gigs that totally were unrelated to tech. And learning Linux, AWS, and Python is what got my foot in the door, and I believe it could be the same for you as well. So if you're asking if you should learn Linux in 2026, I do believe so. I mean, with the ramp up of AI and all these tools, having that extra edge will put you ahead of the people that don't know what's really going on in the background. So I'll be posting more videos of Linux and how to integrate it within your cloud workflows. And if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.